The moon, our constant companion in the vast cosmic dark. It hangs in the night sky, a beacon of light and wonder, but the moon is more than just a pretty sight. It's a vital part of our world. The moon's gravity, though weaker than Earth's, is a powerful force. It tugs on our oceans, creating the ebb and flow of tides. Without the moon, our coastlines would be drastically different. Life as we know it might not even exist. The moon also helps stabilize Earth's rotation. This keeps our climate relatively stable over long periods. It's a delicate balance, a celestial dance that has allowed life to thrive on our planet for billions of years. But what if this dance was disrupted? What if our celestial guardian became a harbinger of destruction? Imagine a scenario, a cosmic anomaly. A situation so unprecedented that it defies all our understanding of celestial mechanics. The moon, instead of following its predictable path, begins to drift towards Earth. This deviation, though initially subtle, sets off a chain of events that will change the course of human history. At first, the change is imperceptible. Scientists notice subtle shifts in the moon's orbit, but to the average person, life goes on as usual. The moon's slight deviation is a whisper in the vast expanse of space, unnoticed by the untrained eye. T-minus 365 days, 1 year until impact. The countdown begins, and with it, a race against time to understand and mitigate the impending disaster. The moon shines bright in the sky, seemingly unchanged. Its serene glow belies the chaos brewing beneath the surface. But deep within observatories, alarms are sounding. Scientists scramble to make sense of the data pouring in, their faces etched with concern. Calculations confirm the unthinkable. The moon is on a collision course with Earth. The realization sends shockwaves through the scientific community. T-minus 300 days. Panic spreads as the news breaks. Governments scramble for solutions. Emergency meetings are held and contingency plans are drafted. The moon, now noticeably larger in the sky, casts an eerie glow upon a world on the brink of chaos. Its presence is a constant reminder of the impending doom. Tides begin to surge, higher than ever recorded. The gravitational pull of the moon wreaks havoc on Earth's oceans. T-minus 200 days. Coastal cities are inundated by monstrous tides. Millions are displaced. The humanitarian crisis deepens as resources become scarce. Freshwater sources are contaminated by saltwater. The delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted, leading to unforeseen consequences. The world watches in horror as familiar landmarks are swallowed by the rising seas. Iconic structures, once symbols of human achievement, now lie submerged beneath the relentless waves. T-minus 100 days. The moon dominates the sky, a colossal, ominous presence. Its proximity causes unprecedented natural disasters. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions increase in frequency and intensity. The Earth's crust is under immense stress, leading to catastrophic geological events. The planet groans under the strain of the moon's relentless approach. Humanity stands on the precipice, facing an uncertain future as the moon continues its inexorable march towards Earth. The closer the moon gets, the more it disrupts the delicate balance of our world, the more havoc it wreaks on our planet, causing a cascade of catastrophic events. Tides become extreme, not just rising higher, but pulling further inland, swallowing entire coastal cities. The very land masses themselves begin to tremble and crack as if the earth is groaning under the strain. Tides are only the beginning. The rising sea levels lead to unprecedented flooding, displacing millions. The moon's gravity disrupts Earth's atmosphere, leading to catastrophic weather patterns that defy prediction. Hurricanes of unprecedented ferocity rage across the globe, leaving destruction in their wake. Torrential downpours and devastating droughts become commonplace, turning fertile lands into barren wastelands. The Earth's crust, already stressed by the moon's pull, buckles and heaves, causing massive geological upheavals. Volcanoes, dormant for millennia, erupt with unimaginable fury, spewing molten rock and ash into the atmosphere, darkening the skies. Earthquakes, some measuring beyond anything on the Richter scale, reshape continents in the blink of an eye, altering the very map of our world. As the moon looms ever closer, its surface becomes a terrifying spectacle, a constant reminder of the impending disaster. Craters and mountains, once visible only through telescopes, are now starkly clear to the naked eye, a haunting sight in the sky. The sheer scale of the celestial body hurtling towards us is a constant, crushing reminder of our impending doom. a harbinger of the chaos to come. Section 4. Can we deflect disaster? Could we escape this fate? Could humanity find a way to deflect the moon, to avert this cosmic apocalypse? Scientists and engineers work tirelessly, exploring every possible solution. Some propose using nuclear weapons to nudge the moon off course. Others suggest attaching massive rockets to the lunar surface, hoping to alter its trajectory. But the moon is a massive object and time is running out. One idea that sparks hope is based on NASA's DART mission, a successful attempt to deflect a small asteroid. Could we scale up this technology, using a kinetic impactor to shift the moon's path? The challenges are immense. The moon is vastly larger than any asteroid we've encountered. The energy required for such an undertaking would be astronomical. Yet faced with extinction, humanity refuses to give up hope. Section 5. A new era for Earth, T-0 days, impact. The moment we've all feared has arrived. The countdown has reached its final seconds, and the world holds its breath. If all attempts at deflection fail, the consequences are unimaginable. A massive asteroid hurtling through space is on a collision course with our planet. Scientists have tried every possible method to avert this disaster, but now we must face the reality of what is to come. The moon, pulled apart by gravitational forces, would bombard Earth with a relentless barrage of debris. These fragments, some as large as cities, would rain down upon us, causing widespread devastation. The very surface of our planet would be reshaped. Massive craters would scar the landscape, altering the geography of Earth in ways we can scarcely imagine. Cities would be obliterated and entire regions would be unrecognizable. The impact would trigger a chain reaction of cataclysmic events. Fires would rage uncontrollably, igniting forests and cities alike. The shockwaves would be felt around the globe, setting off a series of natural disasters that would compound the destruction. Tsunamis taller than mountains would sweep across continents. These colossal waves would engulf coastal cities, washing away everything in their path and leaving behind a trail of ruin. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would rack the planet. The ground would split open, swallowing buildings and infrastructure, while volcanoes would spew lava and ash, further darkening the skies. The atmosphere would be choked with dust and debris, blocking out the sun and plunging the Earth into darkness. This nuclear winter would last for months, if not years, drastically altering the climate and making survival even more challenging. The once vibrant biosphere would be decimated, forests would be reduced to ash, and the rich diversity of life that once thrived on Earth would be reduced to a shadow of its former self. Only the most resilient forms of life, those deep underground or in the deepest parts of the ocean, might survive the initial impact and its aftermath. These hardy survivors would be the foundation of any future ecosystem, but even in this bleak scenario, there is a glimmer of hope. Life has a remarkable ability to endure and adapt. Amidst the desolation, new sprouts would begin to emerge, symbolizing the resilience and tenacity of life. Life on Earth has survived cataclysmic events before. From the extinction of the dinosaurs to the ice ages, life has always found a way to persevere. This time would be no different. Perhaps from the ashes of this cosmic collision, a new chapter in Earth's history will begin. A chapter marked by renewal and rebirth, where life once again flourishes in the face of adversity. A chapter shaped by the survivors who will rebuild and adapt to a radically transformed world. These resilient individuals will be the pioneers of a new era, forging a future from the remnants of the past.